Barley and Stella, the loves of my life. My fiance Brett and I don't know what we would do without these two pups. Because these pups are such an important part of our lives, I wanted to share their stories and help others understand the love a shelter dog could give to them as well. The summer of 2012 is when we got our handsome dog Barley. He was 4 months old when we got him, and we knew right away he was the one. We found Barley at a local animal shelter called Wayside Waves. Wayside Waves found Barley and his siblings in a box on the side of the road. They soon found out that all of the puppies had parvo. Barley was the only survivor. We had heard about Wayside Waves through many friends. They are located in the heart of Kansas City. The one thing that we liked best about Wayside Waves was that they are a no-kill shelter. They also truly care for each and every animal that comes their way. January of 2014 is when we fell in love once again. This time, it was with Stella. Stella and her siblings were mistreated very badly from the second they were born. The staff at Unleashed Pet Rescue found them and probably saved their lives. Stella was just 2 months old when we got her from Unleashed Pet Rescue and Adoption. Unleashed Pet Rescue and Adoption is located in Missions, Kansas. We had heard about this shelter from family. It is truly amazing the things that this shelter will do to help an animal. They take in any animal no matter what condition they are in. I can't imagine how many animals have been saved because of this wonderful organization. These shelters can only operate because of the donations provided by the community. My fiance and I have chosen to donate to these organizations to help save other animals like Barley and Stella. Barley and Stella are truly our kids. They help make life better, and we don't know what we would do if anything were to happen to them. I hope this video has provided you with many reasons to adopt a shelter dog. It will be the best decision of your life. For more information about Wayside Waves, you can go to www.waysidewaves.org. For more information on Unleashed Pet Rescue and Adoption, you can go to www.unleashedrescue.com.